Alright, welcome to Lakeshore RV. This is the video for your Torque 371. I started way early and wasn't quite far enough back. Far enough forward, sorry. Starting here on your generator, you have a prime button here, which will prime your generator, and then a start up there you hold down. This is your on-off for your generator power. If you don't have power coming from your generator, it's almost always these breakers up here. Inside here is where your battery goes. Electrical components and whatnot. Up here is our front leveling. You hold these two buttons down to activate the panel. You have an up, down, an auto level, an auto hitch height, and an auto retract. Auto level will auto level your camper. Auto hitch height will put it back to where you hit auto level when you're done camping, and retract all, of course, retracts all of the legs. Moving around the corner here, we have propane storage. Nice pass-through storage along with our auto leveling system there. Well, it's the main panel for your auto leveling system there. We have our water selection, which you hook your hose up there, and then you can select dry camping, which is the pull from the pump. City fixture, which is just pull with the pressure of the hose. Winterize to winterize the unit, and fill tank in order to fill tank. You have an outdoor shower here, a black tank flush there, the exhaust for the furnace. These are exterior hookups for cable and satellite, along with some power. And there's your wastewater termination handles. Here goes the nice big slide out. Right here's a black tank along with more wastewater handles and another empty spot. Shut off. There we have our auxiliary fill and our generator fill. Here we have our 50 amp power cord, our back deck where it opens up and comes down. Coming around this way, we have our exterior kitchen. We got our hose in there. Our luxurious refrigerator there. We have a storage compartment here. Sorry for the bouncing around on the film. There's our starter kit in there, sewer hose and adapters, our outdoor speakers. There's our water heater. Over here we have our propane along with our regulator. Our regulator, as you can see the top nozzle here, will turn to select where you're drawing the propane from. As we come around the inside, up our overhead steps, we come into our section here. We can start the generator and prime it from the inside. You can see it's been ran to 0.4. On-off switches for various lights. We have our slide-out buttons, in and out. Our awning, front awning retract. We have our levels. Tells us our battery, our fresh level, black, gray. We turn on our water pump, our electric water heater, our gas water heater side, on, off. Radio on-off button. Coming around the kitchen here, we can see the microwave. Here we have the stove. The stove operates much like a grill at home. Turn it on and then spark the burners. And we'll shut those off. Of course, your oven, same type thing. On-off switch decorations. We got our keys right there around the sink. We have our on-off switch for our vent fan, which is up there. Here's our refrigerator, which is a 12-volt refrigerator, which you can see is on right now. We have a setting for colder. Right here is your set for the refrigerator and the on-off switch, of course. A lot of people ask how to turn it off. You hold that button down, it shuts it off. There we got our back gate and our door. Up here we have the half bath and then the crow's nest for the children. Up here we have our on-off buttons for the various lights in and out, and our fan. Our bed adjusted switch goes up and down here, which you can see here in the corner. There is a pin. In order to make this top bunk come down, you pull those pins from all four corners, and that will come down along with the bottom bunk and stop at a certain height. This is in travel mode right now. As you can see down there, 50 amp power cord. Washer dryer hookup, our little half bath. Closes the door there. Let's get out this way. Here's our nice couch and radio. Here's our thermostat. Now our thermostat works as this. First you have the fan setting, which you can set to high, low, or auto. You want it set to auto. Then we have our AC, which you can go and furnace, and off. This thermostat right here is the only one in the unit that controls the furnace. This one here will just control the AC for just this room, which you can see right up there. Here's our adjustment for the bed. And our on-off switches here around the bedroom. Here's our main bathroom, as you can see. All right. this is your torque. If you have any questions, feel free to call the store at 231-788-2040 or call your salesperson. Thank you and have a good day. Enjoy your camper.